Make a great choice today with the 2020 Fit. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 2-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering.